What if the salary you bring home every single month actually isn't the real reason you're struggling? Welcome to today's Explainer. Right now, across the US and the UK, there are millions of people earning six figures a year, and from the outside looking in, they seem incredibly successful. Yet behind closed doors, they are quietly living paycheck to paycheck, literally one emergency away from total financial disaster. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden money traps that are keeping high earners locked in this grueling cycle, and more importantly, exactly how you can avoid every single one of them.
Now, I know this challenges a core belief almost all of us hold. We tend to think that if we just earned a little bit more money, all of our financial stress would completely vanish. But what if your salary isn't the actual problem? The harsh truth is, out-earning bad financial habits is nearly impossible. Making more money often just means acquiring more expensive problems if your underlying financial foundation is broken.
You know, we see this contrast literally everywhere. You've got high earners trapped on a hamster wheel sweating over massive monthly overheads. And meanwhile, you have modest earners who are quietly, steadily building wealth that will last for generations. So what exactly is the dividing line here? Well, it isn't luck, and it certainly isn't intelligence. The difference comes down entirely to daily, seemingly small financial decisions.
Let's dive right into trap number one, the spending illusion.
Here is exactly how this usually plays out. You work your tail off, and you finally get that big raise. But instead of taking that extra money and investing it to secure your future, boom! You instantly upgrade your phone. You lease a luxurious new car. You move into a way more expensive apartment. Within mere months, your expenses have grown just as fast as your income. Sure, you're making more, but you definitely aren't keeping more. Here is a massive reality check. Income makes you comfortable, but investments make you wealthy. The wealthiest individuals in the world do not immediately spend every extra dollar on their lifestyle. When their income goes up, they increase their investments first, long before they ever upgrade their cars or their wardrobes. They literally buy their freedom before they buy luxury. To break out of this illusion, we have to embrace a fundamental truth. Budgeting creates freedom. People so often think a budget is this restrictive financial straitjacket that just kills all the fun. It's actually the exact opposite. If you don't know where your money is going, you will always wonder why it's disappearing. Give every single dollar a job: saving, investing, bills, entertainment. Guessing creates financial anxiety. Planning removes it entirely.
Moving on to trap number two, the fragility cycle. Imagine this for a second. What if you lost your primary source of income tomorrow? Could you survive for 3 to 6 months without borrowing a single dime? For the vast majority of people, the answer to that is a terrifying no. Without an emergency fund, a single unexpected expense, like a random medical bill or a broken-down car, triggers this toxic domino effect. You rely on credit cards. That debt grows with absolutely punishing interest rates, and paralyzing stress just takes over your life.
$2,000. Seriously, wrap your head around that number. That is how much a $1,000 television could actually cost you if you put it on a high-interest credit card and only make the minimum monthly payments. This is the absolute trap of consumer debt. Now, not all debt is equal, of course. Some debt helps build wealth, like using leverage in real estate. But consumer debt, it quietly destroys your finances from the inside out. It all boils down to this. Wealthy people buy assets, things that actually put money back into their pockets. Poor financial habits buy liabilities, things that constantly take money out. When you finance a lifestyle that you really can't afford using high-interest debt, you are quite literally paying for yesterday's happiness using tomorrow's income. Once you truly understand the difference between an asset and a liability, your entire financial trajectory shifts. Which brings us to trap number 3, wasted potential. A lot of folks out there believe investing is just an exclusive club only for the rich. That is a complete myth. Just look at the math here. Someone investing a simple $200 a month starting at age 25 will often retire with significantly more money than someone investing $500 a month starting at age 40. Time in the market is vastly more important than the sheer amount of money you start with.
So why is time the ultimate cheat code here? It's all because of compound growth. This is the magic where your money earns money, and then those new earnings go to work and earn even more money. It's like a giant snowball rolling down a hill, gathering massive size and speed as it goes. Waiting until you feel quote-unquote rich enough to invest is easily one of the most expensive mistakes you can possibly make.
Let me ask you something. Would you willingly fly in an airplane that only had one engine?
Of course not. If that engine fails, you crash. Yet millions of people treat their personal finances exactly this way, by relying on a single paycheck from a single employer. In a fast-changing economy where AI, brand new technologies, and corporate downsizing are harsh realities, depending on just one source of income is a massive vulnerability.
So how exactly do we go about building that second engine? Well, freelancing, dividend investing, rental income, digital products, launching a small online business. Look, you don't have to build a massive global empire tomorrow, but establishing multiple streams of income creates an absolute fortress of financial security around your life. Even a small second income stream can completely change your future and give you incredible peace of mind.
And finally, let's talk about the master key that unlocks all of this: financial education.
It is honestly a tragedy of our modern education system. Think about it. Schools spend well over a decade teaching us advanced mathematics and having us memorize the periodic table of elements, but very few ever teach personal finance. As a result, people spend years working tirelessly to earn money without ever learning how money actually works. It's literally like playing a high-stakes game without anyone ever telling you the rules.
Because the traditional system won't teach you this stuff, you have to teach yourself. Highly successful people are constantly self-educating. They read financial books, they listen to wealth-building podcasts, they watch premium educational explainers just like the one you're watching right now. They actively learn how to invest, and they take the time to understand taxes. Because financial education offers the absolute highest return you will ever receive. Better knowledge naturally creates better decisions, and those better decisions inevitably create wealth.
At the end of the day, it all really comes down to this. Getting rich isn't just about earning more money. It is about making much smarter decisions with the money you already have right now. You don't need a massive bloated salary to achieve financial freedom. You need discipline, a solid emergency fund, compounding assets, and the absolute willingness to keep learning. You have the power to take control of your resources starting today.
I want to leave you with a final, slightly uncomfortable question today. Be totally honest with yourself. Which of these hidden traps are you falling into right now? Now, don't try to fix everything overnight. That is just overwhelming. But correcting just one of these habits this week can completely alter the entire trajectory of your life. So choose one trap, make a solid plan, and start building that lasting wealth you absolutely deserve. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you next time.